Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I want to talk to you about how to wire a ceiling fan off of another ceiling fan. Now, this is your existing box, and the way that you do this is you actually run a new wire to your other box. It's called a daisy chain. It goes from one to another. This wire actually goes off to your switch. In a light fan, you have three basic wires, which is your neutral, your hot, which is to your lights, which is black, and the blue one is the hot to your fan. So in doing this, you would take the two hots, which is your black and your blue, and wire nut them to your black out of the box like that, and then the white would go to the white here, and then your ground would go to the actual mounting bracket of your fan. On the old box, what you would do is take your grounds and twist them together and put a wire nut on there. And here you'd separate your whites and take the white from your ceiling fan and wire all three of them together. Now with your black ones, you do the same thing, only you're going to add the blue one in there too. Wire all four wires together. And there you have it. That's how you can wire a new ceiling fan off of your old ceiling fan. Thanks for watching, and good luck with this project.